Let me show you how to color match images in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing that we need to match is the light, so we will add a curve adjustment layer. When I try to adjust the brightness, the background is also getting affected, so we need to click on this icon to only affect the image below. The shadows are a little bit faded, so we might have to drag this a little bit up. There you go. Now choose the background layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Drag this layer to the top. Right-click here and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Blur. Choose Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and then press OK. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to color. Reduce the fill to around 24%. That's it. Hope you liked it. I made 18 Instagram carousel Photoshop templates for you. All fonts and images are included in these premium templates. You can easily edit these templates in Adobe Photoshop. You can also easily customize them as you like. Check the link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Thanks for your support.